Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. In this video, we are going to create this part design in CATIA. Now let me enter into here new part. Let's say OK. Now for this, we don't have any isometric view. By using this orthographic projections, we need to create here 3D modeling. Now as you can see, this is the front view. Beside this, we are having side view. Upon that, we are having here top view. So here this front view base we are having height of 20, but we don't know with which shape this base we are having with 20. So just if we observe this top view projection, we are having here hexagon shape. Now let me enter into here position sketch from this top plane. Just to make proper orientation, I'll use swap reverse vertical. Let's say OK. We need one hexagon here. Hexagon should start exactly from the center point, just like this. As we can see, vertical line should be exactly on this vertical axis. So vertical position, just I'll mention like this, or else this side also we can mention like this. Just if we try to move this, it will be freely moving. By using constraint, we'll make relation between this point, it should be exactly on this vertical axis. We'll make it here coincidence. Then dimension for this hexagon, line to line length we are having here 100. Dimension from line to line we are having here length of 100. Then exit workbench. We need to make this pad. As we can see, this pad height we are having total 20. Now let me make this pad of 20. Then next to that we are having this shape. So that shape total height we are having 50. In that 50 already we created this base of 20. Remaining 30 mm we need to create with this shape. For that again I'll go for sketch on this top face. I'll make proper position sketch. Then as we can see, first shape we are having here. To create this, we are having one center circle which is having radius of 20. Let me create one circle here. Then from here one horizontal line with this curvature. So directly I'll go with profile. Somewhere from here one horizontal line. We need one tangent arc, tangent to that like this. Then extra I'll keep it inside. This line I will convert into horizontal. So this line we need horizontal line. Mouse right click, last option horizontal. Then by using constraint, dimension for circle we are having radius of 20. For this shape, we are having dimension of 24. Let me give dimension from this to this. We are having here 24. Then this line and this line, it should be exactly with equal distance with reference to this horizontal axis. So let me apply relation between these two lines. Mouse right click, allow symmetry line with reference to the central axis. Properly the dimension will be distributed. Then this curve center point should be exactly on this construction circle of radius 38. If you want, we can create one more construction circle and we can give dimension, or else directly we can take dimension between these two. We are having here radius of 38. Directly we can give dimension of 38. Then same shape we need here also, then here also. So if you want in sketcher only, we can do pattern, or else later also we can do it. Now just what I'll do, I'll go here with trim. I'll trim this unwanted elements. Only this part I am going to create now. Exit workbench. This entire thing pad, total we need 50. In that already we made 20. Now let me keep it here 30. Same shape, total we want here 3. Directly we can go here with circular pattern. Then complete crown, total 3 we want with reference to this Z axis. Properly with reference to that we will get that extra shape like this. Then again we will go for sketch here. Just I need one circle. As we can see, this shape also we need to add material. Directly if we are going to create this entire shape, it takes more time to make it iso constraint sketch. So only just I have created one part, then I'll make it separately like this. So this to this, I'll make it here coincidence. Again exit workbench. Again I'll make this pad of 30 like this. Properly it will become like a proper shape. Then again from this block, as we can see, with inclination of 25 degrees from central axis to this line with a length of 25, we need to remove material with rotation here. For that, let me go for a sketch on this front plane. Here, just we need to remove material like this in this shape. Then, by using constraint, this line should start from this line. We'll make it here coincidence. Dimension from central axis to this point we are having length of, as we can see, this horizontal length we are having 25. Angle between these two lines we are having here 25 degrees. Then this should be exactly coincide with this. We'll make it here coincidence. Then exit workbench. With this shape we need to remove material with rotation. We can go here with groove option with reference to this central axis like this. Properly that shape we will get here. So if you want we can remove now, or else after creating hole if we do proper shape we will get. Let me go back. I'll make it flat only, so it will be easy for us to create that holes. Then next to that we are going to create these pockets. Why? Because we need to follow this proper sequence here. Now let me create one pocket here exactly on this horizontal axis. So we need one sketch on this top plane. Just I'll make proper position. We need to create the shape here. Instead of creating one more line, just let me project this outer curve. Then by using profile, just we'll create one horizontal line, one tangent arc, then one more horizontal line. So this line we will convert into horizontal. Then relation between this to this, we need here symmetry with reference to this horizontal axis. Dimension for this we are having 24. Line to line dimension we need here 24. Dimension from this to this I will consider as 38. Same radius how we have given before. Then by using quick trim, just we will trim this unwanted elements. Exit workbench, we will make this pocket. So this pocket depth we are having here 10 mm. So let me give here depth of 10. Same pocket total we need here extra 3. Directly we can go for circular pattern. By using complete crown with reference to Z axis, we are able to get all the 3 like this. Then last we will go here with holes. So as we can see, hole dimension we are having. This center hole diameter we are having. Total 6 holes are there. This is radius of 6 they have given. So diameter will be having 12. Now we need one hole exactly center of this curvature here. Diameter we are having 12, depth up to next. Let's say okay. Same hole extra we need 3. We can go for pattern with reference to this central axis, Z axis like this. Then again same like that, extra 3 holes we are having with same diameter of 12. Again hole we want exactly center of this with the diameter of 12. Depth we are having up to next. Let me keep it here up to next. Say okay. Again same hole total we need 3 with reference to this central Z axis like this. Now we can easily remove material with rotation. With this sketch we can go for groove with reference to this central axis like this. Proper shape we will get like this. Now if I keep it here front view, this is the shape what we want. We can compare here. Then if I keep it here top view, this is the shape we want. Then if you want to apply any color for this particular part, on part body mouse right click, we can go for properties. Just we can go for graphic and we can apply different type of color whatever we want. Let me apply some color for this like this. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. Thank you so much.